Hey guys, today's video is super exciting. I placed an order with Unclaimed Baggage. So I bought someone's unclaimed baggage. I'll link the website down below if you're interested in purchasing anything from them. Let's see what we got. I'm so excited. So I ordered two, hold on, I gotta look at my email. So I ordered two of the winter blouses mystery bag, 5 per bag. So I ordered two of those, so that's 10 things. And then I ordered Guys, I feel like crap today. I just went to the walk-in clinic and I have an ear infection, which is just wonderful. And then I got the girls' pajama mystery bag from a girl. So I'll just show you guys those too. Here is the box, 16 things in here. Let's open it. I probably should have opened it before I got on camera. All right, so here's what it looks like inside the box. Little sticker, the Unclaimed Baggage Center. So actually I talked about this in a previous video. I told you guys I thought the store was in Nevada. No, it's in Alabama. I was way off. Reminded me of that scene in Dumb and Dumber where they're like looking at the luggage trying to figure out her name and he's like, oh, Samsonite. I was way off. Okay, anyway, even gave me a sticker. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so everything is wrapped. Okay, so we got 3 bags. Okay, this is obviously the girls' pajama mix. I got size 4T. We got some little sheep PJ pants. Those look big for 4T. All right, what else? Oh my gosh, Sorella's gonna love these. They're monkeys. Cute. We got more PJ pants, just striped. And then we've got some shirts. They don't match, but you know, whatever. Some cows. This is snails. And then butterflies. Cute. How much was this one? So that was $10. That's definitely worth $10 for sure. Like, yes, for sure. Okay, and then here are the other two. I got to choose the sizes. I chose size small and medium because I think that's all that they had left. So let's do small first. This is from Buttons, size small, obviously. That's kind of cute. I don't know if Buttons is a boutique or what, but that's kind of cute. It's really soft. Buttons. I'll show you guys the tag. Here's that. What is this? That's a sleeve. Is that a sleeve? Is that a... No, that's the top. Okay. This is... Is this the top? What's going on? Okay, so this has no tag on it. Okay. All right. It's just a blue shirt. The neck looks like that. It's got kind of like balloon sleeves. Looks like that. No tag. Oh wait. Let's see. There's no RN number, so I don't know. A blue shirt. Okay. All right. Moving on. What is this? This is also unbranded. I don't know. No, I don't think it said the brands that would be on there. But this is kind of cute, actually. Actually. Oh, aside from that huge stain right there. Okay. All right. Look at the sleeve, though. Ooh. Guys, when you get mystery boxes, as we should have learned if you saw the drama video that I posted, you need to go into it with an open mind and you can't expect everything to be amazingly perfect, okay? Like, you just can't. All right, this is from a Pretty Little Thing. This is a size 4. This is kind of cute. I kind of like this print. Oh, yes. The last thing in the first bag is from Visit. It's just a like maroonish, reddish button-down shirt. These bags are $15, so I paid $3 a piece for these shirts. All right, moving on to the medium bag. The medium bag. All right, this is from Be Unique. I think that's what the tag says. Be unique. Focus on the tag. There we go. There's that. And this is just a blue, this looks like maternity, you know, because it's got like the ruching on the side. No, this can't be maternity. Is it? I don't know, but it's a really, really soft, just blue shirt. You know how maternity shirts have like this on the side? I mean, I don't know. I gotta look up this brand. Never heard of it before. All right, next we have something from Miss Look. And this is just a striped shirt. This is cute. This is cute. This is from Foschini All Women. Foschini All Women. It's just a floral button down. It's pretty. I got something from Ann Taylor. This little shirt looks like this. And then the last thing is from Cold Water Creek. And this is just a abstract looking type of shirt. There we go. There's that. Who's texting me? Okay, so that's everything that I got in my first order from Unclaimed Baggage. So my thoughts, I'm really excited for the kids' PJs. Like, that was an amazing deal. 6 things for $10. Like, yes, yes. As far as the other things go, you know, they're not typically brands that I would sell in my closet. I think I could probably sell a couple of pieces. Like I said, the buy cost of those items, $3 each. So, you know, if I can throw them up on Poshmark and get like $10 for them, then, you know, I'm fine with that. But again, they aren't things that I typically sell in my own closet, but I'm not going to get mad about that. I'm not going to throw a fit. I'm not going to try to hashtag cancel. Hashtag, what am I doing? What am I doing? What's hashtag? Hashtag, that's what I was trying to do. Hashtag cancel them. Like, no, that's not how it works. And any reseller with half a brain knows that. That's not how mystery boxes work. You know, you don't get all amazing, super amazing, perfect pieces. You know, they don't curate them to you. So it's a gamble. If you order from this website, if you order any mystery box in general, just know it's a gamble. It's a gamble. You might be happy. You might be sad. You might be in the middle. I'm kind of in the middle in this one, you know? And I will link the Unclaimed Baggage website down below. You can also shop on their website and not get like mystery bags. You can just shop. They have like one-off items that you can purchase. So that's cool. I haven't really looked at that section, so I don't know like the pricing, but I'm curious. Now I'm curious. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.